particular channel here has gotten 10 million views within the last 9 months, and rough estimation, calculating the person's RPM and CPM, this person has made nothing less than $6,000 by just giving you guys stories without showing his or her own face right here. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be discussing with you guys 5 hot faceless niches that if you go into in this 2025, you'll be rich within the ending of this year that we are in. Yes, so if faceless YouTube is your aim, you want to go into faceless YouTube, but you're wondering like, okay, which kind of niche will you go into that will fetch you more money and all that, well, take a sit back and relax, because in this video I'm about to break it down for you guys. Now don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stick around in my YouTube channel for more. First that I have on my list here is kids niche, kids faceless niches. Right, so it's actually a broad niche. It's actually a broad niche. Kids niche is a broad niche. So if you want to go into creating of faceless niches that are meant for kids, like kids musical videos, kids teaching videos, now this particular video has gone viral because I've seen tons of channels that have gotten more subscribers within the last 3 months. They have gotten more than 200 subscribers and they have made more money. But why am I putting this as the 5th niche on my list? Is because one thing with YouTube is that any video meant for kids, they don't tend to pay very well. Okay, the pay is not high because it's meant for kids. YouTube wants it when the videos are meant for adults. Once your video is meant for adults, the pay is high. But if you want to just go, you just want to have a channel whereby you make videos for kids, just know that it's going to work out fine. You're going to gain subscribers, you're going to gain good watch hours, but your pay, your CPM is going to be very low. Yes, your CPM is going to be very low. Your CPM should be about from 0.50 cents to 0.7 cents. That should be your CPM. So it's going to be very low because it's strictly meant for kids. That is a kids channel. Okay, so that will be the 5th one. In case you're going into it, you may be wondering, how can you create videos on this? Creating videos on kids is quite easy. We have so many tools in which you can actually do, which you can actually use to create fantastic kids video that will work for you in your channel. So I feel like you need to go do a research on that and start up. But one thing I want you to know is that they will pay you, but it's not going to be high. So if I'm to rate it, I'll rate it like a 3 out of 10 for me. The second niche that I have on my list, now this is actually the Bible prayer faceless niche. Yes, Bible prayer faceless niche, that should be the simplest niche you can go into right now on YouTube. Now many people out there, especially religious people that we have all over the world, will be interested in getting prayer points online or Bible verses that they can meditate on and other things online, right? So if they come across your channel, they tend to watch it, and for the amount of seconds, for the amount of minutes that they watch it, you tend to do what? To get paid. So this one strictly be meant for adults, if you ask me. And watching from the CPN, they are going to pay you maybe up to $1 as your CPN. They're going to pay you up to $1 for your CPN because of the kind of niche you're choosing, which is actually a Bible prayer niche. And just so you know that not everybody around the world are Christians. We have Hindus there, we have Christians there, we have Muslims there, we have Jews there, we have pagans. So you may not really get the amount of views, but I want to let you know that it's quite easy in case you want to go into it. You feel like, okay, in the YouTube space, you just want to bring out Bible verses, prayer points for people over there on YouTube. It's quite easy. The way you can create this is so simple. All you just need is get an image that is free from copyright, get CapCut, and start editing ASAP. In case you want to know how to edit these faceless videos, I am in for it. You can actually come to me and I'll teach you how you can edit these faceless videos for it to come out looking clean and put together so that you can upload on your YouTube channel. Third niche that I'll be mentioning that is very good, the CPM is high, is AI news faceless channels. Now I don't know if you have seen it, but this is actually a rising niche right now. Now anything AI is here, just so you know. So if you start creating, if you have a channel whereby AI gives the latest news maybe on policies, on business, on finance, on fashion, or anything. But this is just like an AI news. You have it on your own. It gives news that will fetch you money, okay? Because the CPM should be around $4. Yes, the CPM should be around $4, and you make money. So if that view is to get like an estimation, if a video from your channel is to get like let's say roughly 500,000 views, now you're gonna times $4 per 1,000 views times what you have, which is 500,000 views, and you see that you'll be making good money from just your news channel. So in creating news channel, it's still simple, okay? It's still very simple. If you want to know how to create these videos, I can actually help you guys with it step by step. If you're interested, I'll be leaving a link in the description and in the comments below. All you just have to do is click that link and communicate with me, and we'll work together. That is very good and will fetch you money is finance slash how to make money. So now, how to make money and finance, I want among the top niches that the CPM is so high. Yes, the CPM is ranging from like $6 to even $50. That is the CPM for this how to make money online niche. Yes, and it's so easy to do, because people see, one thing that I love about this second niche is that many people out there, okay, many people out there want to know how to make money. Many people want to be free from 9-to-5 jobs, so they will come on YouTube to know ways in which they can make money, either through learning a skill, either through different sites that are willing to pay people money. You know, you just want something that will bring in extra income, that will make them to be rich and wealthy. You get? So you having a channel on this that is authentic will actually be a go-get for you. Yes, it's going to be a very good get for you, and it will work out for you. I have to be very honest. So get this video, create your channel, and start. Center on this niche and see how much you're going to make. The CPM, let's say in estimation that you're into how to make money niche, and the CPM is like $8. $8 times per view times, let's say for example one of your videos tends to get like 300 views. Let's just keep it at 300 views. Do you know how much you're making roughly per video? Do you know how much you're making, guys? These niches that I'm giving you guys, I took out my time to like do a research, calculate their CPMs, calculate their RPMs, because one thing you need to understand that is that YouTube is collecting 45% from your videos. So you need to go for niches whereby the pay is high, so that even if YouTube collects 45%, you're left with 55%, which will be okay for you. Yep, this niche that is my favorite. Now this will be my number one because it's actually my favorite. It's something that I have done. It's something that I've tutored a whole lot of people inside of it, and they are doing very well, which is storytelling. African folks storytelling. Don't play with that niche, okay? That is the fastest niche. That is the fastest niche now that is rising in this YouTube space, and a whole lot of you people are sleeping on it. Why? See, kicking off with this, see, look at this channel, 12 million views. How many subscribers? Up to like hundreds and something subscribers, and they have not uploaded even up to 100 videos. This is what they are getting. Do you know how much these people are making? And they're not showing their face. So they are not showing their face, but they are telling people stories, and these stories are not, most of these stories are just they are just, let me call it, fantasy stories. They are fake stories. They are not real, but people are willing to watch. You know, people are just willing. Some of us that love stories, we can go and watch these videos and we'll enjoy it. So storytelling is among the fastest rising niches right now, that if you go into in this 2025, you will blow right here on YouTube. You'll be making your money and you'll become rich. Yes, take it from me. I have taught a whole lot of I have a whole lot of students that are interested in this storytelling that I've taught, and they are doing very well in this aspect of storytelling. I'm not gonna lie. I've helped them in how they can generate their stories, how to edit it, how to upload it so that it tends to go viral. Okay, so that is something that if you are really interested in, if you know that no, this year being 2025, you don't want to sleep on you just being there, maybe working 9 to 5, you want to do something that's going to give you extra income, and maybe what is coming into your mind is any of these niches that I've mentioned, be it storytelling, be it how to make money, be it AI news and the rest, I am willing to teach you how you can actually, I'm willing to walk you throughout these processes so that you can actually have your own faceless channel and start making money without showing your face. So if you don't want to show your face, no problem, but you can still make money with that. All you just have to do is I'll be leaving a link in the description below where you can, get to talk to me one-on-one, and I will be taking you guys, for those who are really interested, who are serious minded, I'll be taking them through a step-by-step process of how they can actually start their faceless YouTube and how it's going to work out for them. So if you're interested, tell me that in the comment section, and don't forget to click the link, and let's start.